Sewing is a means of creativity. I can make pretty much whatever I want as long as I have a few hours to do it and the right kind of fabric on hand. And it's just great having that creative outlet. That's what sewing means to me. Hi, I'm Maggie from Montavilla Sewing Centers. I'm usually sewing for myself, my friends, my family. I really love choosing fabric that the person I'm making the project for really loves. So sewing them a gift in a fabric that's their favorite color, or as a print that references their hobbies and pastimes. Today, I am making some bowl cozies. The Juki TL-18 is a straight stitch machine, and all I need for these bowl cozies is a straight stitch. And I know it's going to handle the thickness of the multiple layers of fabric and batting phenomenally for me. And it has a knee lift, which I use and love. That lets me pivot and turn so easily and do small adjustments as I'm manipulating the project. And then there's a lot of room in and around the presser foot and the needle of the machine, so it's easy for you to get your hands in there and guide and manipulate your project as you're feeding it through the machine. The Juki TL-18 lets you handle heavy projects without them weighing you down. It lets you get things done faster than you could otherwise, just because it is a fast, easy, straight stitch machine.